Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a popular all-in-one desktop solution, specifically the Lenovo IdeaCentre 3 Model 24IMB05 with a touchscreen, presented here as a renewed unit. This particular configuration packs some solid components for everyday tasks into a sleek, space-saving design. Right off the bat, the most striking feature is that 23.8-inch display. It offers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is standard for this size, and provides crisp visuals for browsing, watching videos, and working on documents. What sets this version apart is the touch capability. Having a touch screen on a desktop AIO can be surprisingly convenient for quick interactions, scrolling through web pages, or using touch-optimized apps in Windows. It gives you an alternative way to interact with the computer beyond the traditional keyboard and mouse. Underneath that display, this IdeaCentre 3 is powered by an Intel Core i3-10100T processor. Now, the T-series processors are designed for power efficiency, but don't let that fool you. This is a 10th generation Intel chip with 4 cores. For typical home and office use, things like running multiple browser tabs, working with spreadsheets, streaming video, or handling email, this processor is more than capable. It has a base clock speed of 3.0 GHz, which is sufficient for most tasks, and it can boost up to 3.8 GHz when you need a little extra performance for more demanding moments. The 4 cores are great for multitasking, allowing the system to handle several applications running simultaneously without feeling bogged down. Complementing the processor is 8 GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at a speedy 3,200 MHz. 8 GB is generally considered the sweet spot for smooth multitasking in Windows 10 or 11 for non-heavy workloads. Paired with the fast RAM is a 256 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This is a crucial component for making the system feel responsive. The SSD ensures very fast boot times, quick application loading, and rapid data transfers compared to older mechanical hard drives. While 256 GB might feel a bit limited if you have a massive collection of photos, videos, or games, it's ample space for the operating system, essential applications, and plenty of documents. For larger media libraries, an external drive would be a good addition. For graphics, the system relies on the integrated Intel graphics built into the Core i3 processor. This uses a portion of the system's 8 GB of RAM as graphics memory. Integrated graphics are perfectly fine for all the tasks mentioned earlier: web browsing, video playback, including high-definition streaming, and general productivity. You won't be playing the latest graphically intensive games on this machine, but for casual use and standard computing needs, it gets the job done. The fact that this is a renewed unit means it's been inspected, cleaned, and restored to full working condition, often coming with a warranty. This could be a great way to get a capable machine like this AIO at a more accessible price point. It comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, which is a stable and widely used operating system. As the listing mentions, upgrading to Windows 11 is a simple and free process through Windows Update if you prefer the newer interface and features. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaCentre 324IMB05 AIO Touch, especially in this renewed configuration, presents itself as a very practical and space-saving computer. It's well suited for families, students, or anyone needing a reliable machine for everyday computing, home office tasks, or basic business use, all while keeping the desk tidy thanks to its all-in-one design. The combination of a capable 10th Gen i3, fast RAM, and a speedy SSD makes for a responsive user experience for its intended purpose.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.